This is dinner. Welcome and welcome back, guys. We're doing shrimp fried rice today, right? We got our leftover rice, we got eggs, we got onions, we got shrimp, we got soy sauce. Guys, we're gonna put this together. It's quick, it's easy, and it's delicious. I'm gonna bring you right back. All right, guys, real quick. So, just mash your rice, right? Just break it up a little. It's clunked together. I don't think I'm gonna be cooking this whole bag, but I might. All right, guys, and let me just show you what I'm going to do. I'm not going to just cook the whole shrimp. At this time, I'm going to cut these shrimp in half. I want to stretch it. Just like that. And these will cook up real quick. Let's do one more. It's a bigger one. Right down the middle. Don't cut yourself. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of these and I'll bring you right back. All right, guys, real quick, I'm gonna take some Old Bay. Just gonna hit it just a little bit. Give this a mix. And just let this sit on the side for a little while. Not too much, right? Just enough to get a little taste. Alright, guys, so you could use just a regular soy sauce that you find in the supermarket, but that's not going to be optimum. I use these brands, dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. I use the light soy sauce first, and then I use the dark soy sauce that really darkens up the rice. And these are the brands that I have. I mean, if you have an H Mart or any Asian supermarket nearby you, they'll have this. I'm pretty sure you can find it on Amazon too. Guys, these 2 bottles will last you a year. Easy. Alright, guys, welcome and welcome back. I'm starting over again because I'm not quite sure if everything recorded the right way. So, we're doing shrimp fried rice today, guys. Shrimp fried rice. So I got everything laid out. We got our shrimp, which we hit with a little bit of Old Bay, right? It's been seasoning up. We got our onions. We got our sprouts, right? We got eggs. We got some peas we're going to use. Guys, you could dump the refrigerator in here, but this is all I'm going to use. And we got our rice. It's sitting over there. So I'm going to put you guys on the tripod, and we're going to start cooking. All right, guys. So I'm going to go down with some avocado oil. The pan is starting to get hot. And I'm going to start with our shrimp first. Alright, guys, I didn't completely dry the shrimp off, so it's probably going to pop all over the place. But hey, this is going to cook really fast. Just in case you didn't see it, in case earlier, I did cut the shrimp in half. Right? I just wanted to give, so we have more shrimp. I cut them in half. Alright, guys, these are coming out. These shrimp are done. And they'll continue to cook. Alright, so now we're going to go back in. Turn the pan down just a little bit. Back in with some avocado oil. And then our onions. And don't forget, I'm not cooking these to soften them up too much. I just want them to be a little crunchy. All right, and guys, I'm taking these out now. This is all I want. Okay. Our eggs a little spin. Some avocado oil. Now, guys, back in the day, I always we got eggs in our fried rice. The eggs are always cooked really, really hard, and that's what we're going to do here today. Some more avocado oil. Not too much. Onions. Now this is all going to start coming together now. Onions. You know what? I almost forgot. I'm taking these onions and stuff out of here. Because you know what? Once I put my soy sauce, I don't want the eggs to get brown from the soy sauce. I'm taking this all out now. Let me just give this a few more flips. They're getting opaque. I don't know if you can see the onions. Starting to turn opaque. Taking them out. Alright guys, so everything, our eggs are cooked, our onions are cooked, everything's warmed through. We don't have to worry about worrying about cooking that anymore. We're just going to go in with some rice. I'm going to have enough for a couple of days. That should be enough. And you know, if I had to say, I'm going to say what, that's maybe 4 to 6 cups of rice. Do you. Do how much you're going to do. Now we're just going to heat this rice through. Alright guys, so now we're going to hit it with the light soy sauce, right? A little bit goes a long way, so we're not going to put too much. That's it. Hey guys, just because these are frozen, I'm going in now with some green peas. That's enough. Just use your judgment, whatever you think is enough. All right, now we're going to hit with our dark soy sauce. Again, a little bit goes a long way. It is really going to darken it up. I'm happy where it's at. Get some more light on the situation, guys. All right, now I'm going to go in with our onions and eggs. It's really coming together, right? Now we go in with our shrimp. We just find a couple of those large ones. And then with our sprouts. Just a quick little turn, just a little bit. Alright guys, and that's it. That's our shrimp fried rice. Guys, and that came together. That was almost pretty much I'm going to tell you, that was pretty much almost real time. There you go. Alright guys, I made some ribs the other day. So I got some leftover ribs. Guys, I got some leftover ribs. They're smoked on the Traeger. Guys, let's get into this rice. Got a little bit of egg there. Come on now, don't give me no troubles here. Little egg, little piece of shrimp. Guys, you want to bite it? Bite of that? Guys, the shrimp is cooked perfectly. The rice is not too salty. Everything's fresh. Yeah, guys, this is perfect. To me, it's better than takeout, right? We got a nice rib, nice little tiny smoke ring. Guys, good. Guys, give us a like and a subscribe. Guys, this dinner. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.